Good morning, everyone. What is your sexual persuasion? Are you a homosexual? Look at this graph. Most people are heterosexual and they think homosexuality as an abnormal sexual status. In this situation, do you think people would agree on their merit? My name is Megan, and today I want to talk about why gay and lesbian couples should be allowed to get married. To start with, I want to cover how the allowance of their marriage protects their human rights. Next, I will move on to explain the benefits of their marriage. There will be time at the end of my presentation if anyone would like to ask any questions. To start with, same-sex marriage should be allowed to protect and restore their human rights. The Constitution says marriage and family life should be based on dignity of human beings and gender equality. Gay and lesbian couples' marriage is also included in this law. Ironically though, like this graph, the heterosexuals, most of the members in this society, people perceive homosexuality as a psychological disorder and an immorality, so they limit and infringe on their human rights. However, one piece of research said that their sexual orientation are innate and natural characteristics. They cannot control their sexual persuasion because it is a matter of hormones. For this reason, the legalization of same-sex marriage is needed to restore human rights and solve the lack of social understanding. To move on to next reason, gay and lesbian couples can contribute to the whole society. Normal couples live with real problems, but most of the homosexual couples do not because they achieve their love by enduring many social obstacles and being a center of attention. So, this couple can be a good model for many normal couples and influence society by changing their perceived understanding of love and marital life. What's more is, gay and lesbians both can adopt orphan kids. Same-sex both frequently adopt children in need of a family because they cannot birth a baby. This is highly socially beneficial. Homosexual marriage will increase adoption rate since many homosexual couples will want to start a family just like any other normal couples. To sum up, same-sex marriage should be legalized and they have rights to love. Their love should be protected because they are always ignored and limited just because they are the homosexuals. We should restore their human rights and right to love. Also, their marriage can have many benefits to society. Thank you all for listening, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.